Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Shopify Magic for product listing automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Shopify Magic for product listing automation, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for Shopify Magic in the App Store. Once you find the app, click on it for more details. Select the Add App button to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to authorize the app and grant necessary permissions. After installation, return to your Shopify admin. Locate the Shopify Magic app in your installed apps list. Click on the app to open it. You will see a dashboard with various automation options. Select product listings to focus on automation for your products. Check if there's a verification step required to activate the automation features. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your account or settings. This may include confirming your email address or linking your account to other platforms. Once verification is complete, explore the features available for product listing automation. You can start by importing existing products to test the automation. Follow the app's guidelines to create templates for your product listings. Tailor your templates with relevant details such as titles, descriptions, and images. Save your templates to streamline future product uploads. Review the automation settings to customize frequency and methods for updating listings. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything operates smoothly. Finally, run a test to verify that product listings update as expected. Monitor the results and make further adjustments if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.